guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a Waveformers tutorial. We're going to use the main choice and Bask and Bloom, and we're going to get into the video. So this is going to be a very detailed video. I'm going to do a method of applying the leave-in first, then the cream by Bask and Bloom, and then following up and sealing everything in with the Bask and Bloom Vitamin Hair Mousse. The two products I've never tried before is the Bask and Bloom More Cream and also the Bask and Bloom Vitamin Hair Mousse. So sit back, enjoy, get you some snacks, get all that because it's going to be a long one, but it's going to be good. I know you guys are enjoying the tutorial so far, but I had to come on and let you guys know to make sure you like this video for more content like this. If you're not subscribed to my channel, make sure you subscribe and hit the post notifications so you're notified every single time your girl posts a new video. And if you're subscribed, welcome to the Z Crew family. We're lit, we're positive. You know, I'm bringing the content back to back, so I hope you guys do subscribe. And for those that are returning, thank you to my supporters. And we only going up from here. I look forward to seeing you on this channel, and let's get back to the tutorial. So one thing here, guys, the one thing that made this seal the deal of me finally getting this right on here, of course it's a learning curve, but I twisted my hair multiple times around, like at least 180 degrees. That's what gave me the ability to be able to put a bigger section into this hook. So if you're using bigger sections, you got to use, you got to wrap it more times around. Okay guys, so many minutes later, actually 43 minutes to be exact, this is what I'm working with. And I am halfway done. I have a ton more to go, but your girl is going to keep pushing. This goes over here, it's not a part of that. Your girl's going to keep pushing. Wish me luck. I feel like I believe everybody when they say it's gonna be the worst sleep I've ever had. And I believe that, and I probably will return these if that's the case. But if the result is good enough, I just may keep it. So we gonna see how this rocking and flowing. Stick with your girl, and I will come back after I finish this whole half of my hair. All right, I'll be back soon. So guys, 2 hours later, I am done with my waveformers. And disregard the tag on the back of my shirt. I don't know, I tucked it in and somehow ended up back. But I went ahead and took all these out. It was very easy, no tugging, no pulling. I checked the waveformers, it was no breakage whatsoever. The only thing, guys, you need to realize is this style may not last depending on your products. So my advice is to use a gel that's like not too bad of a hold, something like medium hold. I think that will work better in this case. The moisture on this mousse is so much so that it's harder to have a hold. You want a hold because you want this to last at least 3 days. Mine didn't even last 3 days, guys. It was the next day. It was already not to my liking. It was my hair was looking dull. The moisture was gone. Like, I didn't like it at all. So my hair doesn't like a lot of mousse. That's just me, but yours may like mousse. I like this mousse, but I feel like I will use it more with the twist out, a braid out, flat twist out, something like that. But yeah, I'm going to separate this and then I'm going to come back with my final thoughts. Okay, so my final thoughts about this look. This Waveformers look was really, really cute initially. The next day, it wasn't so cute. But will I do this again is the big question. I think so. I think it turned out pretty cute. The piece that you see hanging lower, that was one that I undid to see how it would look. But I had a lot of body movement, shine, moisture, day one. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.